Introducing a ready-to-use workflow template that is designed to send personalized videos to website visitors. This workflow utilizes a unique tech stack, which includes data enrichment tasks, Latenode AI tools for generating outreach text and narration, personalized Heygen video avatar generation, YouTube for video sharing, and Gmail for email dispatch. Here's the process. Start by connecting your RB2B website with the Latenode via a webhook. This is achieved by copying your webhook production URL and adding it to the RB2B platform under the webhook settings. Once the script is set up, the workflow begins. As soon as RB2B captures the first lead, it sends the data for validation and starts extracting the email domain. After extraction, the data undergoes an enrichment task to verify if the lead qualifies as an ideal customer profile, ICP. Simultaneously, the workflow visits the lead's website and captures a screenshot using a headless browser. This screenshot is then uploaded to the FTP. Once the enrichment tasks and headless browser have completed their processes, they qualify and analyze your recipe for further storage in the CRM. For this case, Trello is used as the CRM. If the lead doesn't qualify as your ICP, a card is created in the Not Qualified as ICP list. However, if the lead does qualify as your ICP, the system writes the narration for your video avatar, cleans up the output for Heygen, and creates your personal avatar. The wait node ensures the video is generated. Upon completion, you receive an avatar video ready for upload to YouTube. You can then draft a message for both YouTube and email outreach. These notes ensure that both YouTube and Heygen have the correct timing. Once the video file is uploaded on YouTube, this note generates an outreach message, embeds it into your Gmail message along with the video, and sends it to your lead's email. After the email is dispatched, we move the card from ICP to ICP sent in our Trello CRM. And that's how it works.
Hey Alex, I noticed Latenode's recent visit to our website and was intrigued by your innovative approach to low-code automation. As a fellow entrepreneur in the SaaS space, I'd love to explore how our platform could accelerate Latenode's growth and AI implementation. Can we schedule a quick call to discuss potential synergies?